What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about another product, which is the Fifine microphone. The Fifine microphone, it is a USB mic which you'll be able to use with your desktop, your laptop. So in this video we're going to test the audio like we did for the other microphones that we reviewed on the channel. In the box, I believe you should get a shock mount, arm mount. Is the arm that you will screw to the table so that way the mic can be stable. You should get a windscreen. You will get the mic, yes. You will get a tripod, a USB cable. We're going to stop all that talking. Let's go ahead and check the box to see everything that's included. Alright, so this is the Fifine microphone. This is the box, as you can see. And if we open it, you got your user manual right here. And that is going to be 2 backup rubber strings for the shock mount with a booklet. Here we have the pop filter, and one thing I will say, it has a very nice build quality. It feels really good in hand, as you guys can see. This is just a company card with the website and the Facebook link and the contact information. This is the shock mount. That is pretty much one piece that will be very handy in the installation of the boom arm for your microphone. And here, baby, this is your windscreen with the USB cable. This is the cable you'll be using to power up your microphone. This is the microphone. It's an all black with grills all around it. As you can see, this is the USB port. And pretty much that's it, guys. And this is the volume button, just so you can control the sensitivity. This is a 5-inch tripod with metal legs. Other than that, the end is plastic and the top is plastic. And here we are looking at a C-clamp, which is going to be a very important part in the installation of the boom arm when it comes to attaching it to the table. This is the boom arm. It is all black with a very good build quality. It's all metal. It feels pretty good in hand. You can tell the quality is there. This is the Fifine microphones with no windscreen, no pop filter, and it is now at 25% volume. We're going to bring the volume down. We're bringing it down. We're bringing the volume up. We're bringing it up. It is now at 50% volume. If we bringing it up, we keep bringing it up, the Fifine microphone, and it is now at 100%. And right now we're going to just bring it back at 15%, and about 15. We're going to leave it at 25%. 25%. This is what the Fifine microphone sounds like with the windscreen and at 25% volume. And if we bring it down, we're going to bring it down. And now we're currently bringing the volume up. We're bringing the volume up. Now the volume is at 50%. We're going to keep bringing it up. We're bringing it up. And now the volume is at 100%. And now we're bringing the volume back to 25%. Now it is at 25% volume. This is the Fifine microphone with the windscreen, with the pop filter at 25% volume. Let's turn the volume down. Let's turn the volume. Now we're turning the mic volume up, and it is now at 50% volume. Now we're turning the mic up, turning it up, turning it up. The mic volume is now at 100%. And now we're going to bring it back to 25%. We're bringing it back to 25%, 25%. And now the mic, it is now at about 25% volume with the windscreen, with the pop filter. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm hoping that in some way it was helpful to you. I don't really have much to say. I'll see you. Bye.